Just a pilot in his cockpit seated. Black leather on his ass, keep a hustler heated.
Hello everybody and welcome to the channel. So if you recall the last time we let off, someone had crashed my Charger into a curb and scratched up the rim. It's not that big of a deal, it's just a new rim. So I did contact Factory Reproductions regarding the replacing the rim. And it's going to cost a little over $200 to get just the replacement rim. Or to get a, someone suggested the Demon replicas. Since I'll have to buy one new rim, like maybe it makes more sense to just get different rims. Because the rims aren't really all that expensive. So it would cost like an extra, you know, $600 to get just a whole new set of Demon replicas, and I think they look pretty sick. I'll put some on the screen right now because other Chargers have done this before. Don't know how it's going to look on my car, so I'll put some pictures up right now and you guys tell me what you think, because I kind of think it'll look good, but I kind of don't. Like, so it's like I'm just on the fence. Like I just can't tell, but my tires will fit just fine, so everything should be good. So let's check out the damage. Okay, so let's see what we got here. I've been a little not happy about this, so I haven't just come and inspected it a whole bunch. I've driven the car, I've kind of ignored it. So it's a nice scrape. It's not, I mean, like as far as it being able to be repaired, I'm trying to get the best view of it as possible, but I feel like it probably, like maybe could be repaired, but there's a lot of material missing, and just for a rim that's $200, I just don't see how it's, you know, how much less than $200 I can get this repair done for that would like really make any sense. So I think it just makes the most sense to just replace the entire rim. I'll show those pictures with the Demon replica rims so you can kind of see if that makes sense, but they would fit. And I don't know, I'm kind of considering doing it. I just don't really know. Oh yeah, since I hit 10,000 subscribers, I think I can put a poll up. So I'm going to try to put a poll up right now. Do I keep these Hellcat replicas or go to Demon replicas? And if I do go to the Demon ones, then what color and stuff? Which I just like the matte black, but I know that's a little bit boring. So maybe a different color, like maybe glossy or something like that. I really don't know. But just tell me what you think, because this is an opportunity to just get different rims and it won't really cost me a bundle. And then I can just sell these, or the three good ones at least. God, I just love the way the car looks with the intercooler behind it. And that's just like when we're talking you know, Hellcat versus Scat Pack, I just love the rawness and like the fact that it's modified. Like you see a car, you see a big intercooler behind the grill, and it just kind of means business, and you know it. And you know that someone spent a bunch of time and money, time or money, I guess, to get it done. I mean, so it's like, it's cool. Like, I don't know, I just like modified cars. So I obviously need to do a revisit on the Hellcat comparison, because there was definitely a lot of discussion. Some people brought up a lot of good points that I just think we need to revisit it, so I will do that at some point. But for now, someone suggested that this is the solution to fix the rim, so we're going to give it a shot. First thing is it's dirty because it's got concrete dust. Let me clean that off. Got a Sharpie. Let's make this happen. Well, hey, I mean, it's not perfect, but it actually looks a lot better. I don't know how long that would stay on there, but I'm glad I did it just because it looks a little bit better. So I don't have to drive around looking like I have a nasty curved rim. Now it looks like I have a nasty curved rim that someone painted with marker. It's actually like hardly even noticeable now. I'm trying to get it on the lighting right, but you see that? It's actually pretty good. So maybe I don't even have to replace it. And the other thing, I don't know how many of you guys subscribe to my wife's channel, but she just recently put some different mufflers on this thing. I don't remember what she put on. She got some sort of race bullet. She's a member of a forum, and that's what they had some discussion, and that's what she thought was the best, so that's what she did. But let me show you here. Where are they at? Well, this was a dumb spot to come. Ugh. I don't know how well you guys can see it, but there's like these they're like these race bullet mufflers. So watch her channel for details on it, but I'm gonna give you guys a cold start just so you can hear what it sounds like. There, like that actually sounds really good. Yeah, it actually sounds pretty good. I'm kind of curious what those race bullets would sound like on here rather than just the muffler delete. Like, it's just straight pipe on mine and hers has the bullets. So let's do a sound comparison. Mine's not exactly a cold start, but close enough. Well, mine's definitely louder still, but hers sounds a lot better. I know she's pretty happy with it, so good for her. Look how dirty the car is. We're all terrified to take it to a car wash, so it's just when we get around to washing it ourselves, which I think the last time that happened, you guys saw it. And that was a while ago. So It sucks. Mine's dirty too, but that's gonna be it for now. You guys let me know what you think on the rims. I don't know how many of you follow me on Instagram. Probably not very many, since I only have like 600 people on Instagram. But I had a death in the family recently. My dad passed away a few days ago, and pretty hard. So thank you for everybody who, with the, you know, the well wishes and the condolences and everything on Instagram. I appreciate it. So I'm working through it. But one thing we might be doing is taking a trip to California, because that's where I'm from and that's where my dad was. And if we do that, I'm gonna try to take that guy and just road trip it down there, and that would be awesome. So stay tuned on that. So that's gonna be it for now. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. Just a quick little update, and that's why I haven't posted in a while, is because I've been just been dealing with that. Peace.
Just a pilot in his cockpit seated. Black leather on his ass, keep a hustler heated. Weed is engaged in the pavement. Rubber escorts like I'm seeking arrangement. Push the gas, escalate the gauges, escalate hits on the cam girls' pages, blazes, and hit 'em with a script full of sexy phrases.